my channel, or welcome back to my channel. So today I have a new video for you guys, something I have not done before, but I have partnered up with Fabfitfun to bring you guys a review and insight, whatever you want to call it, into their fall Fabfitfun box. Alright guys, so if you have not heard of Fabfitfun, they are pretty much a subscription box. You get 4 boxes per year, so 1 each season. So the box is a great value. It kind of really is. I'm not just saying that just to say it. You're only paying about $50 excluding shipping on full-size products that are probably worth $150 to $200, like a little over $150 in total value. So I think that's awesome. Another thing about Fabfitfun is that they are continuously raising money to support nonprofit organizations. A lot of these brands are owned by female entrepreneurs, so that is awesome. So it's a big old box. It's a big mom over here. So the first thing is gonna be this magazine that has Meghan Trainor on the cover. It tells you what's in your box. Okay, that's exciting. The value of it. It gives you just some wellness tips. Next, they have this HelloFresh. Oh yes, my sister would like this. This HelloFresh meal kit. It is a $80 coupon, so that is cool. If you have not done HelloFresh or one of those kind of boxes, I highly recommend them. My sister does them all of the time, and she posts her stuff all the time on Instagram or whatever. I've only done like a food subscription one time after I gave birth, but I will definitely be using this $80 gift card, so that is cool. Another thing that they give you is this Fall in Love with Fabfitfun. It says this season leaves aren't the only thing bringing some color into your life. So it's a gift. Okay, so they give I don't know. So they gave me a code to give someone with $15 off your first Fabfitfun box. That's cool. So I wonder who I'm gonna give this to. If you want this code for $15 off, DM me on Instagram. Since I did partner with Fabfitfun, I do have a code for everyone else that will give you $10 off. I'll put my code right here so that you can use it. All right guys, so the first thing I'm gonna pull out is going to be this Human and Kind skincare. So it's a moisturizer, so pretty much it's a lotion. Anyways, let me see how it smells. Oh shoot. Oh god, it's in my eye. This is real life. Oh, it smells good. It's really soft smelling. If you have been following my channel, you know I don't like I don't wear lots of perfumes and things like that. So this is a really nice smelling lotion. So this is 97% natural. It is vegan and cruelty free, and it's just a moisturizing body butter, body souffle. So yeah, that is awesome. Keep in mind, this is their fall box, you guys. I don't know if I said that, but this is their fall box. So everything is, we're about to just start getting into the cooler months. Unless you're here in Houston with me, I started to put on a sweater, you guys, but it was like 97 degrees today and I just couldn't do it. So just imagine that it's cooling down a bit, because I couldn't put on no sweater right now. I just couldn't do it. I was gonna pass out on the freaking floor had I done it. Next is this, ooh, it's Aveda. I freaking love Aveda products, but this is the Aveda Damage Remedy. This is a daily hair repair, and it protects from heat styling. So I want to say it's probably like maybe a leave-in or just some kind of, is it some kind of serum? Yeah, it looks like some kind of, feels like it's close to a serum or something like that. Very lightweight. Aveda, oh my gosh. Aveda products just always get me. And I know this had to be, how much is this? That is $30. $30 just for this hair product, and the box is $49. Okay, I see what y'all doing here. Okay, so next I'm gonna go for this Aromatherapy Associate Deep Relax Rollerball. This is ideal for travel, relaxation, calming your senses. Let's see how it smells. It smells good. I could probably only use a tiny bit of it, but it is relaxing. It really makes me feel like taking a shower, getting some tea, snuggling up in a blanket, taking all this makeup off, taking this wig off, and relaxing. So next, let's go for this Mini Eye Essential is it Trestique? Oh my god, I don't know how to pronounce it, but I will put, you know, I'm showing you guys everything here, and of course everything will be down in the description box as well. So you get 4 pencils. You get a brow pencil, 2 shadow crayons, so eyeshadows, and then an eyeliner. Great for a nude look. That's pretty much my life. That's pretty much what I do. So yeah, let me just test one out. This is a brown. Oh. That is creamy. That is very creamy. So these are definitely going to be really good for fall, and especially for traveling. Y'all, that was really creamy. I did not expect that. So that little 4 set is $48. Y'all, this is also, you know what, this is a really great way to try out new brands. If you are a product junkie, like I think this subscription box is something that will definitely, like, you will definitely love. If you're not getting it every week, you're not getting it even once a month, but to get something like this and do it like 4 times a year, it's something to look forward to. It's new brands to discover, and I'm very excited about those little eye stuff, that eye stuff. Okay, next, you guys, is this juice cleanse. This is from Harper and Ari. They're exfoliating sugar cubes. So you take a single cube with you in a shower or bath and gently massage it over wet skin, concentrating on rough patches. You can use about twice a week. Oh, and they're squishy too. Oh, that'd be good to use in the morning time, like as a wake me up. It smells like fruit, like it has a citrusy, I just want to freaking eat it. It's like sour gummies or something like that. Y'all don't pay no attention to me, but I'm about to sit these in the bathroom because I will be using these tonight because I got some rough patches on my body already. It's not even winter time yet. That's gonna need some exfoliating, and I'm almost out of my previous exfoliant, so that came at the right time. Next is this Bobble Bar. They're ear crawlers. These are so cute. So the earrings are $34, and those are really pretty. These are going to be really pretty for like holiday parties. I think that's going to be super, super, super cute. Next is this something. It's a wallet. It says cut from the cloth. Oh, it's a black and white striped wallet. That is cute. I'll be honest, you guys, this does not remind me of fall. This actually like reminds me of like spring, summer, kind of nautical, but it's all good. It's black and white. It'll do, it'll work. It's got an ID slot here, about 7 places for you to keep your cards, cash. I love a good fold out wallet. I love wallets too that are cute, that you can just take by yourself. You don't need the whole big mommy bag sometimes, especially when it's date night or you're just out running errands. So that's nice. They give you a freaking full size wallet. Next, I'm excited about, I just have to hurry and pull this out, is this scarf. I am a scarfaholic. I live in Houston, Texas, and it does not get like super cold up in here. But anyway, so this is a scarf you get. Oh, you could just wrap up in it like that. You don't even need to wear it like as a regular scarf. But it is plaid, really cute. It definitely does not go with what I'm wearing. But how cute is that gonna be? Super cute for football games. Going to my cousin's high school football games, pairing it with jeans, a cute jacket. Awesome. That is it's a plush ultra soft plaid. That is $75. This scarf, you guys, is $75, and I love the color. Blue and cream will go with everything. For me, it does, because I am a jeans type of girl, especially in the fall. Jeans, boots, a light sweater, and this is a great accessory to go with that. So yeah, you guys, that is pretty much it for this unboxing. I'm actually really excited. I'm being like 100 with y'all. You know, I try to keep it extra 100 with y'all. I don't know what extra 100 is, but let's just go with it. And I think that this is worth it. I'm not even just saying that. I think that if you are a product junkie like I am, and you're interested in new brands, or you just want like new things, for instance, I never buy jewelry, so I was a part of a different like jewelry subscription, which I just canceled. But even getting these to add to my jewelry collection is like, I'm so excited about. The scarf I'm excited about. These sugar cubes, is that what they got? Yeah, the sugar exfoliating cubes from Harper and Ari, I'm really excited about. I do like that they include, you know, beauty, wellness, lifestyle stuff. It's not just makeup. It's not just like a certain category. They try and, like, you know, just give you a couple different items to choose from, and keep in mind you can customize it too. But I'm happy with my box. So yeah, that's pretty much it. If you guys have any questions or comments or anything like that, you know what to do. Put them down below. You know I'll answer you. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at jmarie, and of course everything here I will put all information, anything that I have, down in the description box, so that you will have it along with my coupon code, so you guys can get $10 off of your first box. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.